All right, this fraction addition is definitely harder because when we look at these denominators, our 2 cannot become 7. So we're going to start thinking about the multiples, and a lot of you guys are better than me at like being able to identify this really fast, so I write them out. So I was looking for a green highlighter. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I think I recognize a multiple of 7 in there. Oh yeah, 14. So to turn 2, sorry, that was off the screen actually, the 14, you couldn't see it. To turn 2 into 14, we could count up in our multiples if we wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or if we remember our multiplication facts, we know that 2 times 7 makes 14. We have to do it on top and bottom, again, because we're keeping the value of the fraction the same while changing the numbers used to represent it. 14 is the second multiple there, so this is one of those fun situations where you're really using the other denominator. You can always actually just multiply by the other denominator to make common denominators if there's only 2 fractions. Now, we don't always do that because sometimes it comes out with bigger numbers than we want, but that is a quote-unquote trick that will always work. So I'm going to rewrite this fraction as negative 6 over 14 plus, what's 7 times 5? 35, yeah. Thank you. Not always confident with that. We got to double check, right? Always think about your math twice. Now that our denominators are the same, bring it over. Never think about combining the numerators before you've brought the denominator over. I have no idea because I got to finish the process, right? So good guy, bad guy comparison. 35 versus 6, right? Because they're facing off against each other. The 35 is definitely going to win. By how much? Yeah. So now if we want to make it mixed, we don't always have to make mixed. We actually like improper fractions rather well. They're pretty nice. But if we think about that, how many 14s are in 29? Well, 14, 28. Yeah, so we get 2. And then our remainder, you said, is? Yeah, 1/14. So if we wanted to make it mixed, our 29/14 would become 2 and 1/14.